G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at 2-variant Tango by Clover. Clover's another one of our sellers here at Gas HQ. So my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? This is, I'm a little late. I had to wrap up work for the year. And also I started a new round of meds and I'm a sleepy boy. But yeah, I'm just quickly catching up. You'll get another video from me in about 12 hours probably. Let's get into it. So, we're Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You'll find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I'm going to jump into it now. Let's do it. So, this is 2-variant Tango by Clover. Now, normal Sudoku rules apply. What does that mean? It means each box... Let's try that one more time. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, what else do we know? We know that we have white dots, and the white dots around the grid must be consecutive digits. So, like... trying to find one that will fit there other than 7, 8, 9, but that's about the only thing I can put in there without breaking the rules. Or that 3 has to be like a 2. You know, something like that, consecutive digit. We also have arrows. Now, arrows in the grid must sum to the given total. Arrow digits along the arrow must sum to the given total, like the one in the bulb. So like this could be 7, 1, 2, 4. That might actually be what it is. I don't actually know. I have tested this one. My memory for things these days is shocking. It's the end of the work year, you know? Sorry, to those of you all who are watching me, readjust this live as I go. You being like that. I'll fix it before the next record. You can see the bottom of it, so it's fine. Hey, real professional. But that being said, I'm gonna get into it now. Let's do it. So, what do we know? We know 8 can't go up because it'd have to be 10, so it must go down, making this 7 and 6. Only way you can fit 2 more digits on arrow is if this is 9, which makes this 8 and then 7. Hey, look, it is definitely 1, 4, and 2. That was probably a guess, but that's also just down a regular old scanning. 6 has to go there, so that's a 3. Now, 8, this digit can't be a 7, so it must be a 9. It's either 1 or 5 or 2 or 4. We don't quite know which one it is just yet, but we do... Do we know which way this one goes? Well, that's definitely 1, 2, 4. Take 4 out of there. This is either 6 and 5. 6 and 8. Oh, yeah, we do. Because if this goes up, then what's the digit here? So this has to be 6 and 5. Can't be 1 and 3, so it has to be 1 and 2 to make a single digit total, so that's an 8. This, once again, has to be 7 and 6. 2 goes there. This is 3 and 1. Making that 5 and 9. Now, when we scan across the grid, we're looking for 4, 7, and 8. We know that that's a 7 because we have a 4 somewhere on this arrow, making this a 6. And then this has to be a 5. We take the 7 out of those two. 7 can't be a 6 attached to it, so that's an 8. Which means we take 4, make that an 8. 1 and 3 to make 8. 1 and 3 must go like that. We have a 1 here telling us which way it goes. 2, 4, and 1 to unwind that arrow. This is a 1 and 2. We don't quite know which way that goes just yet. We have a sneaking suspicion. That's a 3. That's 9. 5 and 6 along here. My guess of which one went on there, I have just double checked. It is 1, 3, 5. How do I know? 5 can't go any of those cells because I got 3 digits in there. Can't go in there because I got the 5 in box 6. This has to be 1 and 5. 1's going to tell me which way around that goes. This is just a lot going on in this puzzle, and it's all fairly simple and straightforward. But that one I placed, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now we're just in the regular all three. That's a 7, 8. The 6, 9. 2. That's a 2. Alright. That's a 4, and I've just not done anything with it. That's a 3, 7 pair. 6, 7. 6, 7. 3, 7. I was just watching, before I came to record this, I was watching Hard Quiz Kids. Which Hard Quiz is an Australian quiz show. And it reminds me of the time, if anyone ever asks, hey, what are the kids on about? What's their brain rot of choice? I want you to ask anyone who was like 20 or 30 in the 80s. We'll say even 40. I want you to ask them what the heck Susudio means. Because that's the hardest quiz question of all. That's the most insane thing I'm probably going to say. No, actually, no, it's not. Never mind. I can't tell that story. But that's been 2 Variant Tango by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.